great. Squeakers really needs that computer chip.
If we don't get a new chip soon, Squeakers may never work again.
Hang tight, Dash. We're on our way back to the Ultimate Garage.
We won't let Squeakers shut down. He's our friend.
Yeah, he is.
I'm gonna guess something bad's about to happen. And I was right. The tracks are changing!
Hey, we've raced on these tracks in all sorts of setups.
Except... this looks tougher than normal. Everyone, go, go, go! Grab Squeaker's arms!
The tracks are changing too much!
On your right! Now your left!
Sorry!
None of this would have happened if I didn't give Squeakers the green onion surprise.
Right, you just wanted to help Squeakers by thinking creatively.
And if we're gonna get past these tricky tracks and save Squeakers, we're gonna need you to use that big old creative brain again.
Okay, 4 Squeakers. Now, let's see what we're working with. I got it! Follow me!
I love a big jump as much as the next racer, but that's a huge one.
Good thing we're not going to jump then.
We're not?
Nope. If thinking creatively is what we need, then I have a super creative idea. French fry blast, activate! Go, Hot Wheels!
A French fry bridge? Oh, cool!
And tasty.
Keep using the French fry blast, and we'll be back in no time.
You got it, Coop! French fries for days! Woohoo!
The Ultimate Garage is up ahead. One more jump to go. Oh, the jump is getting bigger. Squeakers must have accidentally changed the tracks again.
It's too big of a jump to cross with the French fry bridge.
You're right, Coop. But we can make a French fry ramp!
Let's jump!
I guess my mom was wrong. It is good to play with your food.
And it's even better when you think creatively. I have
The new chip worked. Squeakers is back to his normal self. If you call that normal.
Oh, I'm so sorry I gave you that green onion surprise, Squeakers. I really just wanted to help.
It's okay, Brights. In the end, it was your creativity that saved Squeakers.
Wow. You're welcome, bud. I'm glad you're feeling better.